Hi, I'm Ben, and this is my kook story. So, last summer, around for the 4th of July, me and my roommate were on the porch hanging out. It was a nice day, whatnot, and one of my roommates pulls out some fireworks and he's like, hey, I got some fireworks. And I'm like, oh, okay. So he lights one off and it's all fun, it's on the patio and we're all kind of like freaking out a bit. And then he offers me to light one and I'm like, yeah. So then I take the firework, I light it, throw it on the patio and it's kind of close and we're all like kind of freaking out, whatnot, and it's fun. Nothing bad's happening. And then my roommate gets this bright idea to light one and then kick it. And I'm like, at the time I was like, oh yeah, why not? What's better than a ground bloomer on the ground when you can have a ground bloomer in the air? So I was like, okay, let's go. Meanwhile, my girlfriend's like, guys, this isn't a good idea. I'm not a part of this. I don't want to, this is stupid. Why are you gonna kick a ground bloomer? Has it in the name ground bloomer. So she's like, nah, we shouldn't do this. So she goes in to get water. She comes back out with this like, you know, the 2 liter of like Coke, whatever, in one of those bottles. She fills it up with water. She's like prepared. I'm kind of egging him on, I'm ready. So he goes, he lights it, he kicks it, and it like goes pretty high in the air. I thought that was it. And I didn't connect the dots yet, but behind my apartment complex, there's like this big hill and it's got like wheat and stuff growing. And I guess since it's the summer, all of it had died and been really dry, which hindsight definitely wasn't the best idea to be doing. But anyway, so he kicks it, it lands in this field and a little fire starts breaking out. And I was freaking out. My roommate was freaking out, my girlfriend was freaking out, so she runs, grabs this water bottle, sprints over there, saves the day, is just like dumping the water on this like little mini fire and whatnot, and it was pretty scary, but she was there, she put it out, and then afterwards she starts hitting my roommate with the bottle. It was pretty funny. She was pretty mad at him, my roommate. She was a little mad at me too, but I think after the fact we learned our lesson. We don't light fireworks off our hill anymore or on the patio or anything like that. In the end, it worked out. Nothing horrible happened. Could have gone south, but thankfully she was there to save the day.